Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your retirement with Vanguard, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your retirement with Vanguard, start by assessing your current financial situation. Take stock of your savings, investments, and any debts you may have. Identify your retirement goals, including your desired retirement age and lifestyle. Visit the Vanguard website to explore their investment options. Create an account if you don't have one already. Review the various retirement accounts Vanguard offers, including IRAs and 401(k)s. Consider contributing to a Roth or traditional IRA based on your tax situation. Utilize Vanguard's retirement calculators to help you estimate how much you need to save. Determine your risk tolerance by answering Vanguard's risk assessment questionnaire. Choose an appropriate asset allocation strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance. Explore Vanguard's low-cost index funds and ETFs as investment options. Consider setting up automatic contributions to your retirement account to ensure consistent saving. Regularly monitor your investment performance to stay on track. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Stay informed about market trends and economic factors that could impact your investments. Utilize Vanguard's educational resources, such as articles and webinars, to enhance your investment knowledge. Consult with a financial advisor if you need personalized advice tailored to your situation. Adjust your retirement strategy as you near retirement to focus more on preservation of capital. Remember to take advantage of catch-up contributions if you are age 50 or older. Ensure your estate planning documents, like wills and trusts, are updated to reflect your wishes. Stay proactive about your retirement planning to secure your financial future with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.